Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play the frog game. To begin, set up your game board with 7 spaces. Place 3 green frogs on the 3 leftmost spaces and 3 brown frogs on the 3 rightmost spaces. Ensure there is 1 empty space exactly in the middle. The objective is to swap the positions of all the green and brown frogs. Now, let's cover the basic movement rules. A frog can move 1 space forward into an empty adjacent spot. Alternatively, a frog can jump over a single opposing frog, landing in an empty space immediately beyond it. Remember, green frogs can only move to the right, and brown frogs can only move to the left. These are the only 2 types of moves allowed. To win the frog game, a good strategy is crucial. Try to alternate the colors of the frogs you move, especially when making jumps, to prevent creating immovable blocks. Always consider where the empty space will end up after your move, ensuring it remains useful for subsequent jumps. The game concludes when all 3 green frogs are on the right and all 3 brown frogs are on the left. For those looking to master the game, remember that the standard 3 versus 3 frog game can be solved in a minimum of 24 moves. Try to plan several steps ahead to avoid getting stuck. You can also experiment with variations, such as using 2 frogs of each color, which requires 15 moves, or even 4 frogs per side for a much greater challenge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.